Get out of your own way. What are you talking about? This is my life. How can I be the way? Why is the way something different than me?
Mm,
You are the way.
mhm.
You're creating. So you're not in the way.
Okay.
If you're not in the way, what's in the way?
Fear.
Yeah, and there's no right answer, by the way, for me. Like you don't have to.
Just feel when you even just now trying to answer, I feel really anxious. I feel real
Yeah,
anxious. I feel real like I have to prove something to the world,
yeah,
and I'm tired of trying to prove myself to the world. I'm exhausted,
yes.
exhausted from that.
So let's
Ah,
pause right there. Let's pause right there. That's good enough, really.
yeah,
Like this idea that we have to prove to the world and to ourselves and to life, that in itself is so exhausting that it definitely is in the way of the freedom that you're seeking.